another low-mile sports car, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. Check out this 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This particular car is a Z51 package, 3LT, so very nicely loaded. Some of the other options on this one, as you can see, are the painted calipers, as well as the black wheels. Would have been an upgrade. Carbon fiber insert. You can see there, it's also equipped with the 8-speed automatic transmission. So some nice goodies on top of the 3LT Z51 package. As you can see, free of a bunch of nicks or chips or scratches on that front fascia. Black paint is in nice shape, but it should be. This car only has a little over 4,000 miles. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll open it up, we'll start it up and everything so you can hear it run. Check out the interior. Car also has a remote start with that automatic transmission. Would have been another upgrade on this one. Removable roof panel. You can see all that in the still pictures. Get the panel in and out if you want to check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com if you want to check out the engine bay and the other underside of it just to see how clean it is. Center dump exhaust on these Stingrays, very nice look to it. Ton of other goodies on that 3LT package, from the heads-up display, heated and ventilated seats, both sides, dual climate control, navigation, all kinds of options on these Stingrays. You see the door sill, not scuffed up. Take a look at this seat. Also very nice shape, no wear to it. Again, with a little over 4,000 miles is what you'd expect. They have added the WeatherTech formed floor mats, and it also has it in the rear cargo area. Again, you can check those out in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Got any questions on it, or maybe you'd like to discuss transportation or working something out on this beautiful Vette. We do accept trades. If you got an older Vette model you'd like to trade on it and get into something newer, let's go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, and the screen's not flashing like that, is because it's on the video. Everything's good there. Automatic transmission, mode select. There you get an idea. No warning indicators, anything like that. Just the seat belt since I didn't put it on. And then 4,089 miles. Heads-up display controls there. Dual climate, like I said, heated and ventilated seats. Got your passenger control over there. All your steering wheel controls, of course. Very nice sounding cars. Very nice performing cars also, if you haven't driven one of these. Again, 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Removable roof coupe. Z51 package, 3LT. A little over 4,000 miles. Beautiful black with black wheel upgrade. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, to check out any of the still pictures.